Hey guys, this is Chang. I'm here to show you the current status of the Cite project. In this demo, I will be using two sensor modes. A deploy sensor mode called mode 12 and a client sensor mode. And let's say the number is 1. And the client sensor mode is attached to a base station. And then the base station is connected to the computer through a serial cord. Okay. Now we will start Apache server to start this demo. As you can see, I've already stopped the Apache server before, and now I will start it again. You use LAMPP start to start the Apache server. Okay, click enter. Okay, as you can see, it's starting the Apache server right now. Okay, now it has started. As the information is passing from the sensor modes to the computer is running a Java program. So I will open up my Eclipse for the Java program. Okay, as you can see, I have two console screen open up, and I will now open a server, a TCP server. Okay, server started. It's gonna update at 10 seconds every time, and it's running on the serial port number, and then the IP address is this, and then the port number is this. Okay, and the default time is 2000 for the timestamp. Okay, now it's at 25 seconds, and now I will start a client which will get the global clock that the server is using. So that's start a client. Start the client. Okay, now you can see the client is starting at 40, which is the current clock of the server. Let's put this on this side to show the server, and this side to show the client. Okay, now I have both of them on my screen. Next, I will show you the GUI interface of this project. Okay, let's go to a different browser and click this, which is we will be using localhost because we're hosting our GUI interface on this local server right now. So it's asking you for user name and password. Let me type it in. Okay, now it's been typed in. Okay, now you go into this page. XAMPP is the Apache server that we use. Okay, let's go to TCP socket to show you this demo. Okay, now you can see we're at this page. Okay, it's gonna ask you for the password information again. Okay, now we have this started. Now I will try to query the information from the server. Since we're at the machine that's hosting the server, so I will use local server connect and query. Once I click this, you will see information over here that it start querying. Okay, let me click that right now. Click. Okay, you see information right here. A block request has been received. Okay, and it's telling that block request saying we don't have any data right now with the NA. So you see there is you have not contacted a deploy mode yet, since our deploy mode right here is turned off. As you can see, it's turned off right now. Turned off. Okay, so next thing that we will do is to turn on this mode, and you will see how the information is being passed. The information will be passed from the sensor mode through radio message to the client mode. The client mode sends a serial information to the computer, the Java program. The Java program will, the TCP client will service this mode message and send it to the server. And the server will update a SQL database and then notify whoever that's waiting for the information, which is the front-end GUI interface. So this will achieve that when a person is holding a tablet, and then when it comes in contact with the sensor modes, the information should be displayed on the GUI interface. Okay, let's test it right now. Okay, let's turn this on. Okay, as you can see, it's contacted, and it sends information to here, to the centralized server, and it's updating, and the information is being passed back to the GUI interface, saying, at this timestamp, 20 hour 3 minutes and 57 seconds, and then contact mode 12. Okay, and now the student during the simulation is supposed to do manipulation with this information being presented. Well, since this is just a demo, so the only information is being displayed is the mode message, the mode ID and timestamp. Okay, let's say I've done editing this information. I say done edit. Okay, now it will show again that you have not contacted a deploy mode. Say if I went around and go back and contacted the sensor mode again. So let's turn this on again. Okay, you should see the information being will be received. Okay, and it's gonna transfer to the server, and then the server got the message, and it will try to see if it already sees the permission and everything, and pass it back with the message 12, and this will then again shows the mode message. Okay, that's next. I will demo the admin information. Okay, admin page will be used by the TA or the professor. So admin, you click on admin page, then it's gonna ask you information. Say only the TA would know. Okay, so let's say my name. Okay, I've entered the information, and now I see this admin page. The current status is that I've already implemented set different simulation time, and then view information that's already on the simulation. Okay, now, and then the pause and stop simulation is still in process, but I've just graduated, so this will be the next thing that you will be doing. Okay, let's do a set simulation. Okay, well, as we can see, it's right now 20 hour and 6 minutes. Okay, let's set it to say 23. Okay, so this will hence to like maybe there's an event every hour and you want the student to go ahead and go to the next hour, and so you just do okay, and it'll show you global clock has been updated to 23 hour, and we can see it goes from 20 to 23. Okay, and next thing that will show you is what information is already in the system by clicking view timestamp, and you give it a time that you want, say 8, since 8 o'clock, what happened, and you click OK. And it's showing it's a testing message on the SQL system. So you can see at time 8, the climb mode 12 is doing something like this. Okay, this sums it up of what the current status of the Cite project is doing. And thank you for watching.